This was stupid.
That would have been
That was
so
a
badass
sick
if we did that on
move,
stage.
but damn, nice one.
Dude.
Yeah, I got it all on video too. Say hi to YouTube, guys.
Hi YouTube. I'm terrible.
Oh, I
yay.
started recording at the last second, damn it.
Belly to flop, I give you the seal of piloting.
Thank you.
Dude, it's fucking ridiculous though. Every single time
that was
they
15 Marine men of shit.
That was cool.
Marine will pop in front of like a transport truck and just slow it down, driving into the station.
Oh, we got ammo. Should we go rearm first or after base first?
It's only the looper that you
Spring is good
use
enough.
whenever you eject.
Because we can go up, we got a lot of cover and free. Out in the open field.
Okay, I'm
we have
gonna
good cover.
go for a slow approach.
Yeah,
Okay,
take us just above
it'll
green.
put them
Go
into
higher,
combat
so
mode.
you're
Literally
fine.
put them into combat
All yell
mode
green lights,
against
and every time I
us.
say go, one person jump in order.
Alright,
I'll go last.
on second.
Wait, no. No,
Ready up?
I'll go third then.
B-mark, go. Fire potato, go. I am going. America!
Right. Now, when
Coming to save the motherfucking day!
Oh, I'm picking up an aircraft contact.
shit, where?
Hey, I'm gonna land right on you, dude.
180.
Graveyard. Oh, that's my shadow. Never mind.
180. 180.
I'm behind you, fire potato.
I see.
Alright,
Them parachute
Dude,
skills, look at
they're
me.
behind us. I can't believe they didn't engage me, dude. I flew right above them.
Okay, Matt, don't shoot until they tell you to shoot.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go
When
on
you
this
guys
hill
start
and use the
engaging, I
Arco to
will
my
engage.
advantage.
When you
Alright,
guys
1 AI
start
out
engaging,
front, 2 AI out front, 3 AI out front.
I'm coming up on your 6 guys. You guys
Coming up
landed really
right
close
to
where
us.
they were.
Yeah, get prone, there you go. Good job. I got a
Good job.
suppressor, so
belly flop, increase
On
the
the-
altitude so when I run out of ammo I can hop out.
Can I open
I'm in
fire? I
range.
got. I can. Oh fuck! They're shooting
Oh,
at me.
they're opening fire.
I am open fire,
Open.
open fire.
Still
Open
belly
fire on
flop.
Headshot.
stationary targets,
Engage.
Matt.
Engage.
Small bursts.
Shit, that freaking wall has already fallen.
Ooh, headshot! I'm just fucking
Matt, you
destroying
are bad
these
with
guys.
Gatling guns, aren't you?
Dude, I
Yeah,
just
dude,
killed
really.
that guy.
He's terrible.
Yeah, it took you so many shots to kill a
Alright.
person.
Yeah,
No,
check
he's
those
only
bushes.
shot
Are those
like
clear?
5, dude, he's doing great.
Hey, those bushes clear?
Yeah,
Yeah,
they're
sure.
clear.
I think they are.
I killed the guy that wasn't there.
There's one. Voodoo, if you go around to the right of the base, you'll have one behind, I believe.
Alright, I dropped 2 of
Behind
them.
that, tower.
I'm wondering what that aircraft contact is. I bet it's the AI chopper or somebody got the hummingbird. Or that's actually the only option, so.
Yeah, he's right here, I can't get him.
Where?
Grenade, get back. This will get him.
I thought one of you guys were killed.
No, that went way too
He's
far.
down.
Nice.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
Oh,
Nice, I only used 37
Nice.
shots and I killed, I think, 2. Maybe 3.
Alright,
I
load
need
the
to
fuck
kill
up.
one.
Eating drink.
Oh,
Oh?
I'm taking that MK18.
Oh,
Right,
oh. I'm gonna take that.
Hard. Pull a little to the right, I can't look at him from this angle. Alright, so let's see what we can deal with. Keep going forward, don't go this slow. You need to go a little bit
Alright.
faster. Alright. Hey.
I see their car, it's still there. Should I jump out and try to take him out?
There you go.
2. It's an armed off-road. Light it the fuck up.
Eject, eject. B-mark. Going for it, voodoo.
Fuck. I'm dead.
No!
I don't think. Yeah, you guys aren't high enough. Fuck.
Fuck, that was terrible.